Okay, so a few weeks ago, I acquired some other stuff. I already did videos about basically the TI stuff, but I've got, of course, this is the VC64 replica. It works. This Commodore 64 that I have has issues. It doesn't work. This one won't even power up. I got this one, and I want to see if it works. If I actually have an original Commodore 64 that works. So I've got my aftermarket power supply. Let's fire it up. It works. It works. Oh goodness, I have a working original Commodore 64. Now maybe I can get this thing to work too.